Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Canva for TikTok profile branding graphics, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Type Canva into the search bar and hit enter. Click on the official Canva website link. Once on the Canva homepage, look for the sign up or log in button. If you're new to Canva, click sign up and create an account. You can sign up using your email, Google account, or Facebook account. If you already have an account, simply click login and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to the Canva dashboard. In the search bar at the top, type TikTok graphics and press enter. Browse through the various TikTok template options available. Select a template that resonates with your branding style. Once you click on a template, it will open in the design editor. Here, you can customize the text, colors, and images to fit your brand. To change the text, simply click on it and type your desired message. To change colors, click on the element and select a color from the toolbar above. If you want to add images, click on the Elements tab on the left sidebar. Search for specific images or graphics in the search bar under Elements. Drag and drop your chosen image onto the canvas. To adjust the size, click and drag the corners of the image. Once you are satisfied with your design, click on the Share button on the top right. Select the Download option to save your design. Choose the file type you prefer, such as PNG or JPEG. Click the Download button to save the file to your device. Now, open the TikTok app on your device. Navigate to your profile by tapping on Me at the bottom of the screen. Tap Edit Profile. Here, you can upload your newly created graphics. Select Change Image and choose the graphic you downloaded. Adjust the positioning as necessary and confirm the changes. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.